Inside Design X, you have the ability to scan directly into the software, and not only LiveCapture, so with all of the major scanners, including Hexagon and others, you can scan, you can probe if you have the ability to probe with your scanning system. You can capture geometry using either the probe or the scanner. You can do alignments and so on and so forth. Here I'm demonstrating the LiveCapture ability on a sheet metal part. This first pass is going to be in red, and once I let go of the trigger, it will turn blue and show me exactly what I captured in this first one. Now I'm trying to capture as much of the part as I can in the first pass, just so I have a really nice scan to use as a reference for the rest of the alignments. If I wanted to, I could establish clipping planes to not actually include scan data of the background, but it's so easy to remove the data from the part that we don't want that I don't typically set up a clipping plane. And that's just personal preference. It's entirely up to you. You're the one in control. You can see with that live preview that I'm getting from the scanner and inside Design X itself, it's very easy for me to identify areas I need to go back around and scan again. Based on the position of the arm, the view also updates so I can know exactly where I'm scanning, and if I rotate it around, I can capture it very, very easily. Once I'm happy with the scan data I've captured, I can then come in, stop the live capture, and clean up the data.